It's raining. Woo! The little race car is too fast. So dangerous.
Mixer truck.
Oh no!
Oh my God!
The race car hit a street light. The street light fell on the cement mixer. The drum broke. Cement spilled everywhere. Little race car, look at the mess. Quick, call the rescue team.
Okay. Hey, you. It's my time. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. Wow, it's a nice slide. Come here. Hey, you.
Help me!
Okay.
Crane truck.
Big crane, move the street light. Wow!
Very nice. Let's go. Oh my God.
Oh no!
What's next?
Oh no!
Cement stuck the mixer's
It's
wheels.
my time.
Drill truck.
Are you ready?
Drill truck, break the cement.
Cool. Good job. I got it.
Wow! Hey!
Tow truck.
It's amazing. Yeah. Let's go.
Woo!
It's so nice.
Bulldozer.
Bye, guys. Are you ready?
Bulldozer, clear the road.
Good job. Transformation.
Now, let's fix the cement
What's
mixer.
next?
Clean the cement off the wheels. Wow!
Very nice. Cool. It's amazing.
Put on a new drum.
Very nice.
Hooray! The cement mixer is fixed.
It's amazing.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you next time. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.